Hi, and welcome to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm Frank. Today we'll be making a pink lemonade vodka slushy shots. But before we get started, if you'd like to learn more about making cocktails low carb and keto friendly, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the little bell icon, and you'll be notified every time I put a new video out. But now let's go ahead and get started. Now with a frozen slushie, you're gonna need a blender. So let me get that going. And in our blender, we're gonna do 1/3 cup of vodka, and I'll be using, of course, JT Melick, and 1/3 cup. All right, and this recipe does come from delish.com. It's not my recipe, I just found it. Tried it out, it was really good, told some friends, they asked me to make a video of it. Next, you're gonna need some pink lemonade. So all I did is I got some water enhancer, some zero carb water enhancer, some pink lemonade. And what I did is I did 3 packets instead of just the one, because we'll be adding ice, we'll be adding vodka, and it's gonna get kind of watered down. You'll lose that lemonade flavor. So I went with 3 packets of the water enhancer. So this is gonna be 1 cup. Make sure you get 1 cup of pink lemonade. There you go. And then you need 2 cups of ice. Now I find that by putting this in here and trying to count your ice, and this is always with the space, it's never accurate. So what I'll usually use is I'll use a little markers on the bottom here where I got my cup markers. So right now I'm just above the 1 cup. So I'm gonna add there. You can use that liquid displacement theory you learned in science class. Makes it useful for something, making cocktails. All right, so from here we got our pink lemonade, we have our vodka, we have our ice. Let's grab the bottom of our blender. Put this on, put our top on. Now I have the Black & Decker Party Blender, and I actually have a kind of like a margarita mode and then a daiquiri mode. So to make it more slushy, we're using daiquiri mode. So we turn it on. Auto and option 2. All right, and there we go. Now, what I really found kind of neat with the article from Delish of this drink was how they served it. They did is they have some lemons, hollowed them out, and then they put them in there. So from here, let me get, here's my scoop. Get yourself an ice cream scoop and just go one at a time and fill that up. That's 1. I think I have 9 here. That's all my plate could hold was 9. All right, the next thing that really made it look nice was the garnish. So if you've seen some of my other videos, I do grow my own mint. So just put a little mint sprig at the top of each one. And there you go, guys. The pink lemonade vodka slushy shots. I find it's easier just to go ahead and shoot it. But yeah, we're gonna have to take the mint out to do that. So let's go ahead and do one. Could use a little bit more vodka, but not bad. Liquor brain freeze. Oh, that's nice. All right, guys. So, really short video, simple, sweet, get to the point. Oh, it's cold in the chest too. But it's kind of warm at the same time with the vodka. So there you go, guys. This is gonna be the low carb because we used a 0 carb pink lemonade water enhancer. Use whatever pink lemonades you find that you like the best. But that brain freeze is really kicking in right now. All right, guys. So thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day, and I'm gonna, I don't know, do something to get rid of this brain freeze. See y'all later.